Makeup brand ColourPop makes up to 200 eyeliner pencils in a single hour. That might seem like they're just mass-produced, but actually, the process is mainly done by hand, and the brand's obsessive fans swear by ColourPop's quality and, well, the range of impressive colors. We got an inside look at ColourPop's factory, where they showed us how they make their ultra-pigmented liners. First, the liner's pigments are pre-weighed. Dark blue and white are the base colors used to achieve the liner's light blue color. The next part is crucial to the process. It's a liquid made from a secret blend of ingredients. They say this blend makes their liners smudge and transfer resistant. The mixture is thick at this point, so it needs to be grinded down to a thinner consistency to be transferred to the liner's mold, but we'll get to that later. In order to liquefy it, the clumpy formula is slowly added to a rolling machine. The mixture is then transferred to a beaker. The beaker is connected to a special machine that mixes the formula at a fast speed. This helps to ensure that the formula is well blended and at the right consistency. Next, filler is added to the mix so the eyeliner can spread easily across your eyelid when you apply it. Wax is now added to the mixture. This is an important ingredient in the mix, as wax helps keep the eyeliner on your eye. The beaker gets placed into an oven, and then an additional machine to melt the wax down so it can fill the pencil mold. Once the mixture is in the mold, it's slowly pushed through, resulting in the eyeliner pencil. The pencils are then wrapped in plastic wrap to protect against contamination. It's time for the eyeliner to be placed in its ColourPop packaging. Now the pencils are ready to be shipped out and to be put on your eyes.